Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. How much can I deposit in a Monzo account at once? I'm going to start by giving you a quick overview of Monzo, and then I'll get into the specifics of how much you can deposit. What is Monzo? Monzo is a mobile-only bank account that's designed to be easy to use and affordable. It's a great option for people who are looking for a simple and convenient way to manage their finances. One of the things that I love about Monzo is that it's free to join and there are no monthly fees. You can also get a free Monzo card, which you can use to make purchases and withdraw cash. How much can I deposit in a Monzo account at once? The amount of money that you can deposit into a Monzo account at once depends on your account type. There are two types of Monzo accounts: personal and business. Personal Monzo accounts. If you have a personal Monzo account, you can deposit up to £25,000 per day. However, there is a monthly limit of £100,000. Business Monzo accounts. If you have a business Monzo account, you can deposit up to £10,000 per day. However, there is a monthly limit of £100,000. How can I increase my deposit limits? If you need to deposit more than the daily or monthly limit, you can contact Monzo customer support. They can help you to increase your limits. Other things to keep in mind. There are a few other things to keep in mind when you're depositing money into your Monzo account. You can only deposit money into your Monzo account from a bank account that is registered in your name. You can't deposit cash into your Monzo account. You can't deposit money into your Monzo account using a credit card. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.